This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a better route planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are home getting ready for a trip to Croatia and Slovenia. We're gonna visit the Green Energy Fair. You guys can check in the description below. They invited us there. So yeah, we're gonna be there at Green Energy Fair in Zagreb, but also we'll visit Metron Institute. You know, the guys that make the cool charging cable. Actually, the one I have over there also. Visit them and some other people. And of course also Vanya from EV Clinic in Croatia and also represented in Berlin now. Gonna visit Vanya also. I'm actually gonna borrow a special, I think it's a modified Tesla Model S. I think it calls it P100, P plus something. It's a legend, yeah. So we'll take now the Neo ET5 Touring. We're gonna stay there for 10 days, 9 nights, right? And I was like, what, pack light? Well, this is packing light. Fortunately, we are traveling with Lufthansa and they allow 23 kilograms for each person, also the baby. So we could take, how much is it, over 90 kilograms with us. We have maybe around, I don't know, 50 kilograms, 2 bags. And yeah, this is a new thing for Isabel, the stroller. And okay, so let's just get ready and then off we go to the airport. Well, it's almost 11 now. The flight is in about 2 hours. Fortunately, we live quite close to the airport, only 7 minutes away. So, yeah. Well, let's see now how much vampire dread we have in the Neo while we are gone. Oh, the hassle of traveling with the family. Isabel wants to ride up here. Neo park here with 95%. I think we're gonna go. ไม่ต้องไปที่มันเป็นฝนนะมาข้างในเนี่ย we can go over there, so it's kind of full here, but only one big stroller and then that one. Okay, let's go. Yeah, Isabel likes this Stokke jet kids. Yeah, eventually she needs to pull her own luggage. Okay, now we need to find out where it is, but the flight is slightly delayed. Oh, I have to be careful for those 20 minutes delayed. Okay, that means we don't need to stress too hard. All right, past security, all good. Near the gate, but not at the gate because over here we have some space. So yeah, we brought some chicken. We brought some chicken that we have from home. And some food here we bought at the airport. Yeah, Axel was a bit grumpier earlier. He's okay now. Yeah, the hassle of traveling with kids, man. You see, we have to bring all the stuff here. Yeah, I don't know what they call that, Stokke, it's called it Stokke. So now we wait about 1 hour until boarding. So fortunately we are in the pre-group since we have small kids, so we enter first on the airplane. Say, airplane, Axel, airplane, say, airplane. Look here, I noticed something. There, it's the, I don't know what to call it, the thing for loading the, stairs. And they have solar panels there, probably on the other side also. That's pretty smart, because it doesn't use much electricity at all. It moves only, I don't know, 50 meters at a time, right? Very smart. Okay, it's not that flight, it's another flight way over there. All good. Yeah, Isabel gets her own seat. Axel needs to share with one of us. So they handed over some stuff here for Isabel to play with. Okay, that's good. She's occupied. Axel, on the other hand, he needs some play something. Yeah. So the flight is pretty much fully booked. So it'll be packed in here. Welcome to Frankfurt Airport. We didn't get a gate, so we have to ride a bus. Extra hassle. The kids love airplanes, eh? I mean, they see airplanes every day since we live so close to the airport. That's a big airport. That's a big aircraft, Isabel. All right, we are at the this area where there's plenty of food, and Isabel wants to ride it herself now. Isabel, så flink du är. This is the best investment ever. Okay, so now we have some time here. Actually, around almost 3-hour connection, which is good because timing-wise now, I think the kids want some dinner. Yeah, a final destination for tonight is Bled in Slovenia. So I want some currywurst. I think also Isabel wants some currywurst, and then wifey wants ramen. So you're gonna find everything here, and then she wants to go shopping also. All right, we go for some dinner over here at the airport. Went for currywurst. Yeah, Isabel wants currywurst. We also ordered another wurst salad. It's coming soon. The kids are just so they can't sit still. It was just chaos earlier. He was grumpy all over the place here. Almost bumped his head here. Isabel is running around here on the sofa. Okay, well, let's have some wurst then. Wife is good, right? I thought it was supposed to be some salad, but actually she said it's similar to yum, the Thai yum. Yeah. Right, second flight now to Croatia. I had to sit here, and then Isabel and wifey sitting over there, so it's gonna split a bit. She's looking at the airplanes. Yeah, what's that? Finally, we're leaving soon. Tonight in Zagreb, we're from Zagreb to Bled, it's gonna rain cats and dogs. Freaking heavy rain. And then the Tesla we are gonna borrow is now charging up. Diesel killer. Well, we have supercharger on the route there, but we should be fine. And then tomorrow we're gonna charge at Metron anyway, right? Welcome to Zagreb. Yes, finally we are here. We are just about almost 1.5 hour delayed. Right, but now Vanya is gonna pick it up in the Model S. We can borrow it for around 10 days while we are here. Yeah, man. He survived. Oi. He slept 2 times. Oi. Yeah. Isabel survived. Mommy though, she seems a bit tired. So yeah, unfortunately the Model S is not at 100%. We are at 60%, and we have to drive actually kind of far, 2 hours. So I think we're gonna go get some food now and also top up the car while we are here. I think that's it. Wait, is it that car? Okay, one stop over there. Okay, let's go. That's a Tesla, Model S. Or is it this? Oh yeah, they come with 2 cars, of course. EV clinic. All right, let me get over there somehow. Here is Vanya.
Welcome to Croatia for the first time.
Thank you. Last time we tried, but we failed.
Yeah, I know. I'm so happy that you are here, and it's better than we expected. Yeah.
Yeah.
So welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we just unlock. We put the car stuff in the car, and then
we prepared the vehicles. We arrived with 2 vehicles, so I will give you the mine P100 Plus, so you can have the safe driving and enjoy the Croatia.
All right. Okay, let's get loaded.
Okay, thank you.
All right, on the move. It's nice to be back in Tesla. Yes, it was 85 kilowatt hour battery, but it has been upgraded to 100 kilowatt hour. Model S P100, like a ninja. What the heck? It has done 443,000 kilometers. It's a legend. Oh shit. Okay, we're gonna drive now to a shopping mall. They have some 50 kilowatt charger over there. We need to get some food because it's getting late in the evening. So yeah, all right, all good. It started raining now. Oof, okay, it's gonna rain heavier and heavier and heavier. Okay, we have some 50 kilowatt charger. I have the CCS adapter here. We're taking 48 kilowatt. Yeah, that's good enough. Plenty. It's gonna take 55 minutes. Whatever. At least it works now. With plug surfing, it cost 1.1 euro per kilowatt hour, but whatever. Okay, let's go inside. It's raining cats and dogs here. Dinner for today. We have some, what is it again? Some pastrini it's called, I think. Some bowl. They don't want this, the kids. They don't want fish. Well, the shopping mall is closed, but some of the restaurants are still open. Well, we found a playground here. Just waiting for wifey to go to the toilet, and then I'm gonna go to the toilet, and then we're good to go. Kids just need to play. Yeah. We're on the move. We're gonna ride right into the storm. I don't know if this car has that weather forecast or whatever. No, I don't think so. But yeah, it's gonna be raining cats and dogs over there, and it's already 10 in the evening. We'll be at the hotel in Bled around midnight. I have to take it easy, safety first. I have to take it. Don't drive too fast if it's raining too hard. Holy macaroni! We are now in Slovenia, 138 kilometers away from Bled, and just look at the weather here, man. It's freaking crazy. It's just wind, lots of rain, and leaves blown everywhere, and quite poor visibility. The wipers might need a replacement soon. Plus that there's no road. No lights along the road, and I cannot use high beam because there's constant oncoming traffic. Just want to take it easy and get over there to Bled safely. We are finally here at Bled. It's been 4 years since last time. It was actually right when wifey got pregnant. Oh, we remember that while we're here. Okay, hotel is over here. Let's go check in and let's see. Quick stats, 270 watt-hour per kilometer. This is rear-wheel drive, but it was wet, and we also went uphill. Yeah, Bled is on the higher elevation than I guess Zagreb. Okay, and it's still raining over here. I purchased some reception. Okay, purchased some umbrellas. Just gonna find out where we're gonna go now. Okay, since it's kind of late now, nothing's open here. We went to the hotel. They didn't have any vending machine, but they tipped us so we can go to this little shopping center over here, Bled, and there is in fact a vending machine here. So we are just on a mission to just get some kind of snack. Oh, man, are we in a good adventure or what? So we have some, okay, I don't want some of this, but there is some stuff here we could go for. Maybe some chips, some drinks, something. I'm thirsty, man. Okay, let me see. I send a picture to wife. We're just gonna see what she wants. Well, all good. Parked the car for the night. Unloaded everything. Now we go check out the hotel room. Well, I already went one round now with the kids. Now I'm gonna bring in all the luggage. So yeah, Moldes, man, it has so much space. You could fit everything and more. Quick room inspection. Bathroom here. Nice and spacious. And then we have an okay entrance. The kitchen corner here with a microwave and fridge. Very convenient. And then over here, Isabel is already sleeping. She's a heavy sleeper. I'll put her in the bed here soon. And then here we have the main room and also another bed. See, Oxer is breastfeeding over there. And that's pretty much it. Oh, okay, all good. It's 1 at night now. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get some sleep. And then tomorrow we visit Metron. And there was another company that Metron knows. Then we'll probably do some Bled chill time here. And then, yeah, we might also visit the coast of Croatia, but it's gonna rain a lot nowadays, so it's kind of bad timing, but you know, we planned this trip far ahead. But also, we're gonna go on a trip to visit, what's it called again? Man, I was like, so okay, Mate, you know, remats. Supposedly I'm gonna get a test ride in the Nevera. And then of course the Green Energy Fair. And then also visit EV clinic. So it's some work and some chill time. Yeah, and of course tomorrow, ABCO was Bled cake. So yeah, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later. And then go check in the link for more info about different companies and events going on.